Vitamins are essential organic compounds that our bodies need in small amounts to function properly. They play critical roles in processes such as metabolism, immunity, and cell repair. Here's a breakdown of key vitamins and their benefits. Vitamin A functions to support eye health, immune function, and skin integrity. Sources of vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and liver. The vitamin B complex consists of several vitamins, each with unique roles. Vitamin B1, thiamine, aids in energy metabolism and nerve function. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, is important for red blood cell production and growth. Vitamin B3, niacin, supports energy production and cholesterol regulation. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, is essential for hormone production and metabolism. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, helps with brain development and immune function. Vitamin B7, biotin, promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Vitamin B9, folate, is vital for cell division and pregnancy health. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, is crucial for nerve function and red blood cell formation. Sources of the vitamin B complex include whole grains, meats, eggs, dairy, nuts, and leafy greens. Vitamin C functions as an antioxidant that boosts the immune system, aids in collagen production, and enhances iron absorption. Sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, promoting bone health and immune function. Sources of vitamin D include sunlight exposure, fortified foods, fatty fish, and egg yolks. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage. Sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, and sunflower oil. Vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Sources of vitamin K include leafy green vegetables, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Each vitamin serves a unique purpose, and deficiencies can lead to various health issues, such as weakened immunity, bone problems, and neurological symptoms. Make sure to include a variety of these vitamins in your diet to support overall health and well-being.